This 1948 Royal Quiet Deluxe typewriter with beautiful D-shaped glass keys is in near mint condition. It has been disassembled, cleaned, serviced, adjusted, and reassembled with a new ribbon installed. It has been thoroughly tested and it's ready for use. The serial number is A1501616. This has the magic margin feature. Everything works as it should. Overall, it looks excellent. The decal on back is worn and faded a little. And I'll get some paper loaded in it and show you how it types. Okay. It also types in red. Everything works like it should, and it types very well. That's a recently serviced 1948 Royal Quiet Deluxe. This typewriter also comes with its case, which is in good condition. It's a little worn, but it's clean and solid. I also have a reprinted user's manual. The case has some light cracking around some of the edges, but it's still in pretty good good shape. There's a little bit of a dent there. There you can see some of the cracking. But it works good, it's clean, has its handle when it latches. That's for the 1948 Royal Quiet Deluxe with glass keys.